Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general reading, guys. So for your moon energies today, we have picked one card, guys. So let's see what are these cards. Sagittarius, so we have Six of Air, Page of Air and Fool. So today in your circumstances, you are really confident about something, cheerful, and you are a determined person, Sagittarius. Whatever you think and plan, you have your focus on that, and you are someone who never stops before you try everything to do your best using your skills and talents. And maybe today you feel really inspired, confident about something, and this choice or decision may even look like something which cannot be achieved practically, but you feel that you can take that risk and move forward because you feel extremely confident in your choice, extremely confident in your skills and talents, and you are stepping up towards that decision that you have made today for yourself, maybe in your work or it may be in your personal life, guys. So you have made that decision whether to go for this love, whether to stand by this person, whatever it may be, whatever the outcome may be. And you are someone who has that perseverance and grit, and today you feel that you are feeling that unconscious attraction towards this person, something pulling you towards them, maybe, guys, today. And in this relationship, there may be some circumstances, maybe there may be some misunderstandings you have, something may not be right, but whatever it is, you are really calm and composed, willing to take your chances, willing to or trying to do the things the way you expect, and you are choosing to believe in yourself and believe in a positive outcome in your future, guys, for this relationship. And maybe your circumstances are quite not clear. You are seeing things in a very uncertain way. Maybe you don't know what this person will decide or what they will do. But whatever it is, you are willing to take your chances, stand by this love, wait for them to see where things are going. So the same way in your career situation, guys, there may be some difficulties you are seeing in your circumstances. There may be some obstacles, lot of struggles may be there in your work situation, but you are someone who never gives up so easily. And that may be the reason you are willing to hold on to your stand, see where things are going in your work situation, guys. So for your moon energies, Sagittarius, full moon in Scorpio, time to release negativity. So today you may feel a little too emotional today about some things, guys, and situation is quite intense. Maybe you're worrying about something, but you need to understand that worrying is something pointless, worrying yourself. So it is time to give up that negativity you have in your heart, in your circumstances. Maybe someone has been really unkind to you. You need to give up all that negative emotions you have towards them. So if you do that, you are going to feel relaxed and you will see that things will change for the better, guys. So instead of worrying and feeling sad, brooding over something, you can just let go of all that negativity and see your situation in a peaceful way. Live your life the peaceful way. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is. We are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.